So you have 8 amps on the subs.
One per coil.
And those are at 1 ohm? And you're efficient too then, because you're not wired down anymore. Use discount code JACOVIRAL to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video. Man, that's nice.
Best hair trick today.
Really? Congrats! Holy smokes. Woo! Oh!
Yeah, it's warm in here.
That's pretty sweet. Your door. I actually bet you gained some with this.
Yeah, because now I can fold them down.
Yeah, and the seat over there to block your port.
That's what I forgot to do over there. I forgot to fold the seats down.
That's a good idea. Oh, you put the seat down, you probably gained half a dB.
Wow. Yeah, that's what you can do.
Man, so you have 8 amps on the subs.
One per coil.
And those are at 1 ohm? And you're efficient too then, because you're not wired down anymore.
I'm full knob.
Yeah, full knob, no worries. Awesome. And what's your peak like?
Somebody stinks.
Yeah, I smell it. And his door, I won't forget, this thing is...
Smell it?
Wow.
Hey, Dan, I can smell you over here, bro. I can smell that over here. Subs are at 310.
Really?
Yeah.
Jeez. Ooh. So these are 3.5 or 4 inch coils?
4.5.
4.5? 4.5.
4.5.
4 point. Okay, got it. I'm still learning the newer subs, so.
First I bust the pockets getting. I'm just thinking smart, so the 6-8 duck. Now I look up and I see a truck that's just pulling up somewhere I'm at. A big goofy nigga.
That's hot, yeah. And that's on the cone, not the coil. You feel it? I appreciate that, man. You've got a long way. The last 3 years I've been. Good job, man. Team ain't loud. Woo! 160's right there. I gotta let y'all hear mine too.
Name. First I bust the pockets getting. I'm just thinking smart, so 6-8 duck. Now I look up and I see a truck. It's just pulling up somewhere I'm at. A big nigga.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOVIRAL when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.